Definitely a bigger punch with of the flavor because I think there's more vinegar on here. These are really good. These are really tasty. I give these a 9 out of 10. I'm gonna put these here. So, what was I saying? So, by the time V and I found the, I think, Petco that had enough goldfishes for us, we had to get a worker to actually fish out the goldfishes for us. And it was so funny because we were struggling to count these fishes. Because if you've ever seen the fishes at like Petco and big, what are those called? In their, you know, big old fish containers. The fishes are like swimming everywhere. And the little fish scooper that she had, it's not that small. And then on top of that, to get it to basically grab or snatch or basically to scoop a fish by itself is really hard because all of the fishes were huddled together. So me and V were over here telling the lady, I need exactly 23 fishes and she needed exactly so-and-so fishes. So we're like, we will help you count these fishes. We need the exact number because the psychic said. So then the lady's like, okay, sure, I'll get you 23 fishes. So I'm holding the plastic bag while she is like had to stand up on a stool step and scoop these fishes out one by one, and it was hard for her to like scoop these out, right? So it took about like 15 minutes for her to finish my bag, and I'm like, wait, I think there was an extra fish in here, and I'm holding the bag up like this, and there's like 27 fishes flying around. I'm like, I don't know how to count which is which, and I was like, I think we need to take one back. And then she takes one back, and I'm like, well, I hope that was 23 because I don't know if you put 2 extra, because I was trying to watch her very carefully put in 23 goldfishes for me. She did it one by one, but some of them accidentally had 2 or 3 fly in by accident. So after she finished with mine, it took another 15 minutes to finish up with these goldfishes. So we went to the cashier to check out, and in that moment we felt very silly. We looked at each other like, are we really doing this right now? Did we really just go into this found this pet store, bought these blank number of goldfishes, and now we're checking out? And then I'm looking at her like, ain't no going back now. We literally stood there for 30 minutes counting goldfishes and making sure they're in this bag, and the bag is wet, the worker was wet, and we're like, we're gonna do this. So let me try these before I continue with the story. These are Snyder's of Hanover pretzel pieces, honey mustard and onion, bursting with flavor. Let's see about that. Let's see if this is bursting with flavor. Super yellow. It smells really good. Here it is. All right. Flavored sourdough hard pretzel. Definitely bursting with flavor. This is really good. You can see the little marks on the bottom. Pure honey mustard and onion. This is really good. I really like these. And kind of sweet. You get that onion flavor. Really crunchy. Super flavorful. So after we get these fishes, we check out, we get into her car, and we had to Google where the closest pond was to us. And mind you guys, at this time it was about 7 at night. I guess we've been riding around so much because we went to eat, we've been riding around, and we were in that store counting those fishes. It was around, like, I think 6 or 7 o'clock at night. And they were like, dang, we got work tomorrow. We need to hurry up and find this pond, release these damn goldfishes, and move on with our life. Can you guys just imagine seeing like 2 Asian girls in a Petco buying a specific amount of fishes? What? I don't know what those... And I'm surprised the lady didn't even say anything. I'm pretty sure she was just... whatever. She's probably seen some strange things in her life. So we finally find... No, as we were researching where the closest pond was to us, we looked at it and we're like, well, is this a pond or is this a lake? It doesn't specify on here. And then I'm just like, you know what? Fuck it. Wherever we put these fishes, we put these fish, and we're releasing our regrets and whatever else we got to release in these last so and so amount of years. And so she finds this pond. We get there and we're like, is this a pond or is this the lake? We don't know where we're at. And so it's dark AF. Maybe we saw like 2 people walking their dogs, and we're like, all right, well, let's go ahead and do this. So we get near the pond, we open the bag of goldfishes, and we're supposed to say something like, oh, this is me releasing this 23 years. This is 23 years of regret, whatever negativity. Let me release this and bring positivity to me and blah, blah. And then we let the fishes go. Freaking hysterical, guys. I'm going to try these chips before I finish the story. This is Ruffles Jalapeno Ranch flavored. This is also new. I'm excited for this one. Kind of reminds me of that jalapeno, those kettle chips. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? The jalapeno kettle chips? Smells like ranch. Wait, did I give this a rank? These are a 9 out of 10. Same as the buffalo. That was pretty good. So, that's what the chips look like. Ooh, massive. Mmm. They're tasty, but you can't really taste the jalapeno. And I'm not quite sure if I can taste the ranch. Very light ranch flavor. 7 out of 10. Not as good as those two. Not as flavorful. Seven out of 10, but still good. Just not as good as these two right here. I can get some more of these. They have a very vinegary taste to it. And the ridges really hold in the flavor. Okay, so to conclude the story, V and I really didn't... Actually, the other day I brought this back up to her, and we just really laughed at the fact that we got conned into seeing this lady. We never went back to see her, by the way. And because we felt like if she had to get a chunk of our hair, what if she does some witchcraft stuff on us? It was a little sketchy. And so we never went back to her, but we think about it today and we laugh really hard on the situation because we were in such a hopeless place. We just thought maybe this lady can help us figure out what we should do next in our relationships and in our life, that, you know, maybe she'll give us some answers. But so looking back on it now, it's like, did we really just take 20 something amount of fishes to this pond and let them free? But that's my story, you guys. And let me show you guys a picture too, because I knew it was going to be a historical moment if me and V were going to post, if me and V were going to let these fishes go. Okay, here's the picture of us with our goldfishes. Freaking hysterical, you guys. Check this out. Unbelievable, right? Anyways, we think about it now and we just laugh so hard about this situation. We really can't believe we got conned into this. But whatever. Life lessons, and it is what it is, you know, it's an experience. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this snacking, food, mukbang, taste testing flavors that I haven't had, and these fried Oreos. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. I will catch you guys in my next video.